We'll guide you through how to install Snapchat on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Snapchat is a great messaging and social media app. So you may want to go and get it for the first time. You can create an account in the app, or you already have an account and you want to log in. On there, you can go and send snaps, which are photos and videos, or you could message people, post on your story, use Snapchat memories, loads of different great things about it. So we're going to guide you through this. Make sure you watch this full guide. So make sure that you have a connection to the internet, whether that's mobile data or Wi-Fi. Now, what you need to do is go and find the Play Store. So it should just be on the home page, but you can always go and swipe up and search for it at the top if needed. Then we can come to the bottom. You can probably find in apps, but it's quicker just to use search, I find. So tap there. Press search at the top and you can go and type in Snapchat. Then you can go and see it here. So you can press install over to the right or tap on it and press install. Go and wait. The time it takes goes and depends upon how quick your internet is. It shouldn't go and take too long. You can see for me it's pretty quick. It's now installing. Then what you can do is go to the right and go and press install. Now you can go and press open. You can see we now have the option for open, but we can come and close out of it, swipe up, and you can swipe across and you should be able to find it or search for it at the top. We can then tap on it like so, and you can then go and sign up or go and log in if you have an account already.